Welcome, everyone! Today, we're diving into a beautiful topic that resonates deeply with many of us, building a positive mindset through Islamic teachings. In a world that often feels overwhelming, the principles found in Islam can guide us toward a more optimistic and fulfilling life. At the heart of Islamic teachings is the concept of hope. The Quran reminds us that after hardship comes ease, encouraging us to remain steadfast and optimistic even in challenging times. This powerful message teaches us that every difficulty is temporary and that brighter days are always ahead. Embracing this perspective can transform our outlook on life, allowing us to see challenges as opportunities for growth. Another essential principle is gratitude. Islam emphasizes the importance of being thankful for the blessings we have, no matter how small they may seem. Practicing gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we possess, fostering a sense of contentment and joy. When we regularly acknowledge our blessings, we cultivate a positive mindset that can uplift our spirits and those around us. Moreover, the concept of community in Islam plays a significant role in promoting positivity. Engaging with others, offering support, and sharing in each other's joys and struggles create a sense of belonging and connection. This communal spirit encourages us to uplift one another, reminding us that we are never alone in our journeys. Additionally, Islamic teachings encourage us to maintain a positive self-image. The belief that we are all created with purpose and value instills confidence and self-worth. When we recognize our inherent dignity, we are more likely to approach life with optimism and resilience. As we navigate our daily lives, let's remember to embody these teachings. By fostering hope, practicing gratitude, nurturing our communities, and embracing our self-worth, we can build a positive mindset that not only enriches our own lives, but also inspires those around us. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of positivity through Islamic teachings. If you found this discussion meaningful, please consider following or subscribing for more uplifting content. Together, let's continue to spread positivity and hope in our lives and communities.